Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this short video we learned how we can remove debug banner from top right side of our Flutter projects. So for doing this, first of all I need to make a project, so I'll go to terminal, and in my terminal first of all I see yes I'm in the Flutter project directory. So here I'm gonna first of all make sure my Flutter is in channel master. Yeah, I mistyped this. So and then it's say offer that I run Flutter upgrade. I already did that. If you want even to see which channel you are, you just type Flutter channel to see which channel you are. Okay, master. And now what I do, I need to I want to run this in our Chrome browser as a simulator. So I just say after Flutter upgrade I just say Flutter config / enable / web. Also, if I just type a Flutter config show me what is my status, also offer me others that I can do, like Mac OS desktop, Linux and Windows, Android and iOS, and all of this that we can support. So here I'm gonna create my project, so I just say Flutter create and my project name. And yes, it's run, so I can see my to the directory. Okay, here if you have Visual Studio connected, actually installed, and you put the path of it in your path, you can run it from here. You just can type code dot, but to well, don't make you confused, I'll go from Visual Studio. And in my Visual Studio, I already opened that project directories. So here from here I can open it, but you can go for File, Open, and in Documents, wherever your project is, you can open that one. You can wait for a few minutes, then you will have your project ready for run. You can run it from here, or from here I'm gonna run it to show you that which debug banner I'm talking about, and then I'll tell you how you can remove it. So until this gets running, oh, actually it's asked me where do you want to which simulator do you want. So I just say environment is Dart and Flutter, and it's gonna run it over Chrome web. So here in the library main Dart, just under in my you know that we have a main function that run the project, and then run my app, and in my app I have this. So here under home I'm gonna add a command line to remove that one. But first let's just get run. Let me type this until that one. So when you type it will show you debug show check. So after it's connected, I have this run over the web. If I run it in iOS and Android, it's going to be the same, just different size of a screen. So if I make my project responsive, it's going to adapt itself. So here you will see that this, we want to remove this. For removing this easily, you can go back to your code, and here just under home type debug show check menu or mode banner. This one false. That's it. And then I can stop this and rerun it. You can make this even customized, change color or whatever. You can just Google, Flutter debug, and then show you, how you can customize it. But it's not necessary. Usually, you want to remove it. So waiting for connection. It's connected, and let's have this project connected and run. Yes, you will see that the bug is gone. So now your project can be ready for official release. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this channel, and please make sure to subscribe and watch other videos. Any question, any correction issue, and any request, you are always welcome. I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Bye bye.